Good morning and happy Sunday, everyone. It's Kim here, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here to share my snippet roll swap that I did with the lovely Shelly Jerza. And I'm going to have a link to Shelly's YouTube channel in the description box below. She's just getting going, so please go over and subscribe to her. She's a very, very talented lady. And she's also on my design team. So it's very exciting. And I was thrilled to do a swap with her because I feel she's just one of the new up and coming YouTube artists. And I just love her work. So this swap was in Amy Love's group, and Amy does swaps every couple of months in her group, and they're really lots of fun. I did the egg carton swap last time, you'll probably remember. This time it was for a snippet roll. So very exciting. So I just took everything out of the package, the envelope. I haven't looked at anything yet. So this is what we've got. And there's a lovely package here as well. So I think I'm going to open this first. And I'll just set that aside for a minute. And we'll see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, she altered some bags. How pretty. And what is this? Yeah, I'll get it. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, so let's do this. Well, let's do the little guys first. Let's do these. Look at these. Just gorgeous bags she's altered. And I love how she used the image and put the tool over the top and then put the little gemstones inside, so it's kind of like a little shaker. How cute. What a great idea. And she's got cheesecloth and a flower and this lovely applique. And it's on an embossed and tea-dyed. I don't know if you'll see that on my camera, but she embossed and tea-dyed this this glassine bag. So very cool. Thank you, Shelly. You are so sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh, how pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, she's made button cards. Oh, look at these. And she's beaded the buttons and sewn them on here. How pretty are these? I love buttons. I collect buttons. These are beautiful, and I love the blue flowers on here and the pink buttons. Look how pretty, you guys. Shelly, those are lovely, and the beading on here is just amazing. What a great idea to use your little seed beads on top of the buttons. And these are vintage. Gorgeous. Thank you, Shelly. And then she sent this beautiful, oh my gosh, my favorite color. It's like a turquoise applique. Look at that. Oh, I love, love, love. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use that on a project. That's beautiful, Shelly. Thank you so much. I love that. Just going to pop that back in the bag. And there's her beautiful bag again. And then the second bag looks like this, and she's got another beautiful image here and some sari silk, cheesecloth, and music paper, and more sari silk here. And again, it's been embossed and tea dyed or coffee dyed. So really beautiful. I love this idea of embossing the bags. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, there's goodies in here too. Oh, looky, looky. Oh, you made some burlap flowers. I love these flowers. I've made burlap flowers, but not like this. Oh, I hope you have a tutorial on these. I would love to know how you made those. Please do a tutorial on these. Look at these, you guys. So cute. Little bling on this one and a little dangle lace and tiny, tiny little flat back pearls and appliques on these. And there's the back. I'm not sure how she did that. So cute. And then there is some paper doilies. There's a couple here, which you can't always use paper doilies. And then there's some Tim Holtz goodies here by the looks of it, and a little charm on a bulb pin, and the little Tim Holtz people here. Thank you, Shelly. I'm not going to take that apart because I'll probably lose them. Thank you so much, Shelly. I love that. And then, oh my goodness, look at this gorgeous bag. Oh, she's embossed some paper. She's got some, this is crepe paper here. And she stamped on some muslin here. Made a little tulle bow. If you can hear some banging in the background, it's my cat. Beautiful lace here and a bow. And then there's the back. Again, embossed with cheesecloth and music paper. And it's got a little clip here. And then you open it up. And there is a few goodies inside here. Oh my gosh. Did I get everything out? Yep. Oh my goodness, this looks like a little journal. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful flower and lace snippets on this paper. Yes, it is a beautiful little journal. Oh, I love it, Shelly. Oh my gosh, look how cute. This is embossed. I love embossed things. It's got a little pocket there, and then the coffee dyed paper with this beautiful vintage lace here. Look at this, a little fabric flip. Oh, it's so nice, Shelly. Thank you. This will be handy to keep in my purse, actually. Another little flip there. And that's some vellum, I think, or wax paper. Is that wax paper? Ooh, that's cool. Tell me if that's wax paper, Shelly, because what a great idea to emboss wax paper. Little snippet flower. Oh my gosh, Shelly, I love it so much. I'm definitely going to use this. Another little insert with a couple of tags. And then there's the center. And another one there. I love these little snippets you've done here as well. This is fantastic. More snippets. I love it. This will be great for my purse. That's what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to keep it in my handbag. It'll be great to write things down on. But I love the little pocket you made for it as well. How cool is that? And it just slips in like this. I love how you made that. Thank you so much. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then now we are on to the package. And look at this beautiful trim. I'm just going to have a sip of my coffee. Oh, that's good. Look at this beautiful trim. It's like chenille. And it is wrapped in the most beautiful fabric. Oh my goodness. I love fabric. And this is beautiful, Shelly. Oh my goodness. Look at this fabric, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And there's a little bag here, but look at this fabric. I'm kind of dying over that. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful fabric. Oh, and all my colors I love. It's like a very soft robin's egg blue in the background. And this is all like beautifully embroidered. Oh, wow. I'm going to have to think of something very special to make with this. And it's got the butterflies, which you know how I feel about butterflies. I mean, you could actually cut these out individually. But I don't know if I want to do that. Oh, I love it so much, Shelly. Thank you so much. That's gorgeous. Wow, I love it. And then it looks like she's made a little bag here. I know she put up a video, but I tried not to watch it. I did see little peeks, but I didn't want to watch it because I wanted to be surprised. So she's made a bag out of that fabric, which is beautiful. And then on the back here, she's made some flowers, little snippets, and she's stamped vintage with this gorgeous crocheted lace here. And she's hand sewn all the way around the edge of the fabric here. Beautiful flower with, I'm guessing, some hand dyed sari. And she's got some beautiful beads on it as well. And then some lace underneath. And then she's got a little heart snippet here with some chain and a little flower charm. And then more little flowers that she's made here. And a little butterfly. And oh my gosh, the snippet roll, the snippet roll. I'm so excited. Oh, there's another look at the bag. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, Shelly. Oh, look at this. Look, oh my gosh. It's an altered pop can tab. I've never seen that before. What a great idea. We call it pop here. I don't know what you call it where you live. Some people call it soda can, but we call it pop here. Oh my gosh, what a great idea. That's awesome. And she's got a kilt pin here with some beautiful chain on it that she's made a dangle here with a bulb pin, and then she's got some beautiful gems on it. And that's the edge of the snippet roll. And then you can see the flowers and the rhinestone. Oh, do I have it upside down? Yes, I do. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. There you can see. Oh, I love it, Shelly. Look at that vintage button. And snippets. Another handmade flower there. I need to know how to make these, Shelly. Beautiful image. Laces. Another little bulb pin and a heart. Oh, I love it. It's very pink and vintage, which I love. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at that little tiny button right there. It's the tiniest button ever. Hopefully you can see that. And then she's got another kilt pin here with some chain and some beads on the end. And a sari ribbon here with another tiny little button, and the base is all like little snippets. A bulb pin with another altered heart that she's used and snippets on that. Another one of the flowers, little charm dangle there. Cheesecloth, a paper heart, flower snippets, and a little rhinestone. Another heart there. Another beautiful image. Snippet flower. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, Shelly. And then here is the other side, which has these amazing buttons on it. Look at these. These are gorgeous buttons. Oh, I love vintage buttons. And this really vintage, beautiful crochet trim. And vintage stamp there. Oh, I love it so much, Shelly. Wow. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. So you guys, please go over to her channel and check her out. You can see how talented she is. And I will link that all below. Look at the little rhinestone piece there. I love the images you chose as well. Oh, it's beautiful. I love the buttons. That's a very, very thin mother of pearl button right there. Very cool. And then this beautiful piece here at the beginning again. Oh my gosh, Shelly, it's beautiful. Whoops. It's beautiful. Lost my doily. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. Thank you so much for doing this swap with me. I'm just in awe of everything. You are so talented. And I'm thrilled that you are on my design team and that we did swap and that we're friends. And thank you so much. And I want to learn how to do these flowers, so please do a tutorial. I love these. Thank you for everything and my beautiful buttons and my Timmy goodies and the little journal and this gorgeous fabric, and of course the beautiful, beautiful snippet roll that you created. Everything is just beautiful, Shelly. Thank you so, so much, my dear friend. And I will be back with another video soon. Please check out Shelly's link below, you guys. And I'll see you all soon. Have a great weekend.